This is my resume and this is my application letter. My name is Julie Andreca. I am 22 years old from San Luis Agusan del Sur. I graduated from Northeastern Mindanao State University Lianga campus with Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Business Economics. So during that time at university, I gained a solid understanding of economic principles, market trends, and business strategies. I am dedicated and motivated individuals who is eager to apply my knowledge and skills in professional settings. I am also quick learners, a team players, and always open to new challenges that helps me to grow both personally and professionally. One of my strengths that I can understand and respond to many topics quickly and accurately so I can help anytime you need. I am good explaining things and clearly and simply. I want to work for this company because it has strong reputation of innovation and excellence. I admire the support and growth learning for the team members. The company values much my own, especially in terms of teamwork and integrity. I believe I can contribute useful skills and ideas to help the company's success. Working here would be a great opportunity to grow professional and make positive impact. In 5 years, I see myself growing into a more experienced and skills professional. I hope to take on greater responsibilities and lead projects successfully. I want to continue learning new things and improving my abilities. I also aim to contribute significantly to the company goals and success. Ultimately, I want to be recognized as valuable and trusted team members. So first is I will talk private with my colleague to understand why they are misreporting their hours. I will explain how their action affect the company and my own values about the honesty. If they don't stop, I will feel responsible to the report issue to maintain fairness and integrity. It is important to protect the company and uphold ethical standards even if difficult.